All right, as I was telling y'all, all
Oh,
right,
that's crazy.
we just gonna
He said,
keep
the boy said that's crazy.
yeah, we just gonna keep it simple right now, all right? So, this right here is what I call the seal, all right? What I mean by the seal is like it was trying to sell off, but once it sealed itself up right here, I know everything inside the alligator jaw should be buy entries, all right? So look at this. One entry on the 25th, another entry on the 26th, another entry on Thursday, another entry down here. So anything inside the golden zone, all we're doing is we're taking them, okay? Now, do you see how today is here? Today would be a perfect day to take an entry, but I have a feeling it might pull back a little bit, all right? So once we feel like we have the wick for today, we're taking buys. If I want to pull on down to the 50%, I'm slamming. Because look at what happens when price finally decides to take off. You see, the rule of thumb is if price is no longer in the golden zone, which is between the 50 to the 78.6, you're supposed to no longer take entries. You're supposed to let it ride. You feel me? So that's why when it's in your golden zone, it's important
Hmm.
to take every good entry because once it break here, you have to take no more entries. You feel me? And then this is TP1, this is TP2, this is TP3, this is TP4. You feel me? But that's how that part works. Another thing I want to explain to y'all is how to use your Fibonacci appropriately. You feel me? Take a look out here. We're
Hmm.
we're in the inside fibs right here, but let's go to the H4. All right. Go to the H4, reset it. Okay. So with the H4, um, this fibs right here, where is it? Where's the circle? Okay. This fibs right here, we're going to use basic, remove, my bad, remove that, where you, bomb. All right. So we're going to use basic rule of thumb with Fibonacci. All right. We know the basic low. We know the high so far for the week. So that's all I got so far, all right? Low point, high point, all right? Now, I didn't tighten up the fibs. I just let it hang lowest point possible to the highest point possible. Look how price has been touching the 50% or real close to it. 50% discount, that's an entry. That's an entry. We're talking about that. We took this entry over here. This was also entries, you feel me? But you see how, oh, let's also take a look at that. Sometimes when you're out the golden zone, you feel me? You still may want to take an entry again, you feel me? You see how the blue line
Hmm.
of water cross under the Bollinger Band and then sealed above the Bollinger Band again? Oh, that should let you know continuation for 4 hours, continuation from 6 to 10 p.m. Man, and don't let it break out of here. Price break out of here and complete the W. It's gonna or complete the flag. Then it's gonna create the new flag leg, which was gonna go from here to here, at least here to here, or it might even do a big flag leg. It might try and duplicate from here to here, which was 38 to 39.5. If it duplicates that, that would be 39.5 to 41,000. So that's why it's important to understand it. Once you know, dang, I'm waiting on a 15,000 flagpole, I'm in the best entry possible. All I got to do is wait 3 or 5 days, worst case scenario. Say less.
So, all right.
But yeah, once you get the EMAs on your charts, like let's look at the past. Like look at how when the super trend told us it was a sell from up here, which was Sunday, May 19th, it sold off, right? Not only did it sell off, but the blue started crossing under the Bollinger Band. Then it pulled back up, but it didn't create a higher high. It made a lower high. So that's perfect momentum
Hmm.
for a sell, you feel me? Now it pushed through. Look how the blue line crossed the white Bollinger Band already, you feel me? So this right here was your first confirmation. You see this right here, and you see the blue underneath your Bollinger Band already. This should be your second confirmation. I would have been slamming from here, all right? Now, when it drops some more,
Mm-hmm.
Pulls up and it's still wicking, and it's underneath my white line, which is basically a reverse alligator jaw. So that means I'm looking for sales now. I'm slamming here again, slamming. Now it's on the 200 EMA, all right? I got to be careful here. But the rule of thumb is until you get an engulfing 4 hour, you still stay with the play, all right?
Mm-hmm.
So the play is sells. So I'm
Okay.
taking cells at a high point, taking cells at a high point. It touched the blue, so I'm expecting it to turn around. It didn't turn around yet, but it's still at the high point. So I'm taking cells at the highest point. Cells at the highest point. I'm feeling good because it's at the 200 EMA, but it hasn't taken the fuck off yet. All right. So that means the cells might be in my favor. Still here, still here, still here. Finally dropped down. You feel me? So that make me feel good. If I see my golden zone from before, if I drew a golden zone and I see that I'm here, then I'm still on the belief that, hey, until it engulfs something, I am still selling. Pull back, take another sell. Pull back, I'm just selling. Selling as much as I can. I'm still trying to sell right here, all right? But as I continue to sell right here and it's just staying sideways, especially after this candle, if I get another green one, I'm definitely out, all right? This red candle made me feel out, but these two candles made me feel away, you feel me? Because each of these candles are four
Mm-hmm.
hours each, and for almost a day and a half, it tried not to sell anymore, all right? So in my mind,
I see that. Feel it.
I'm gonna think, damn, the seller's exhausted, you feel me? The seller's
Mm-hmm.
exhausted, so I'm gonna look to the left. Now, when I look to the left, I see that there was an area that was lower than this point, you feel me? So what do? I take my current Fibonacci and I pull it down to the area that was lower than where it's stagnating at, and I push it up to the high point where it's at previously. You feel me? Where the heck you at, Fib? Where my white line at? Hold on. No pressure. I just removed it, making it difficult. Okay, here it is. All right, bomb. So again, price was over here at a new low point, but it was stagnating for a day and a half. All right. Anytime you're in that situation,
Mm-hmm.
because it always repeats itself, all you do, you look to the left and you find an area that was lower than it. You feel me? Or a support area that was touched about 2 to 3 times or previous support. You feel me? We found previous support one,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3 ish. You feel me? Now we bring this back to the current high point, which is up here. Okay. Now look what happens when we stretch our fibs and we go back to the where we were. Okay. So when we go back to where we were, this is where price is. You see how it broke through the 78.6? It's at about 90%
Yeah.
retracement right here because this is 100%, but it's refusing to break here. Anytime you see 3 to 5 wicks on the H4, believe it. What do I mean by believe it?
Right.
Draw a straight line through that mug. Draw a straight line through it like that, bomb, and that is your new support level. You feel me? Bomb.
Mm-hmm.
If you stretch that bit all the way over, you come and you find out that support level was a previous resistant level that price broke through in the past. You feel me? So
Okay.
previous resistance has turned into new support. Now looks what happened. Bomb. Price turned around, made a T cup, then it pulled back down, and now this is what we rocking in right now. You feel me? So this is the play that we've been doing right now. You feel me?
Mm.
So it's been moving up
Yeah.
incrementally, and now it's finally out the golden zone. So the rule of thumb is no more entries. If you missed all of these, then you got to wait for a pullback. But nine
Yeah.
out of 10 times, probably get a pullback in New York session if it's going to pull back at least to the 50%. But there's no once it take off, it's expected to take off for a few days. You feel me? And this is NFP week this week, normally the most volatile week out of the whole month, first week and last week of the month.
Yeah. Yeah, I know niggas was scared of NFP.
Right.
Niggas
Yeah,
get scared of that shit.
people be scared when you don't got a technique. Hey, look at how the EMA cross even working on the 1 minute. So I use the 1 minute to get me the best entries without the drawdowns. Feel me? Remember we were talking about the quarter point at being at 39,250? And I was telling League, hey, as long as
Hmm
you don't go below 29.30, I'm not leaving nowhere. You feel me? I'll take a look. Look how it
hmm
went up. It eventually crossed the white again. Now it crossed the red. It's just bopping. So once you understand that, dang, not only are these EMA crosses, but the alligator jaws is giving me perfect entries for continuation. You feel me? So you
Bro,
start.
you gotta explain the alligator jaw one more time. Where the fuck is an alligator jaw? I want to see this shit.
All right, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
All right. This blue line is our 10 EMA, right? When it
Okay.
when it crosses over when it crosses under the red, look what it does. I'm gonna draw it.
Wait, what does 10 stand for? Why is it 10? What's the number stand for?
10 is important because it's really close to like zero, but you don't want to make it zero. So each EMA is like a representation of price on an average. You feel me? So 10 points is like 10 points or 10 bars at a certain time frame. So if you want a 1 hour, it's like the pit movement on average for every 10 1 hour candle. The 50 EMA is like the 10 pit movement average for like every 50 candles. You feel me? The 200
Okay.
is like the moving average for every 200 candles. That's why when you see something rejecting off the 200, that's why I'm like, hey,
hmm
strong impulse is really good. Let's see what
Yeah.
it's trying to do. Okay, it's trying to
It's a
stir
lot.
our way. Let's do it. But I'm gonna draw the alligator jaw. You feel me? Let me
All
see.
right.
We got the marker here. I'm gonna show you a sell one first. All right.
All right.
Number one, price. The best thing to look at price. You see how bright price is these bars. You feel me? These candlesticks. I want you to take
hmm
that out your mind and think of price as the blue line. Okay. Look how as the blue line moves, the candles move with the blue line. Up, up, up,
Right.
up, up. You see how it started to curve a little bit, and as it curve, what's price doing? It's curving and
Falling.
going down with it. You feel me? So now there's steps to this, all right? What they teach retail traders, all right? And again, if you don't know the technique right, then you mess up and everything all type of stuff. But they teach you regular water under fire is sell, all right? So when
Okay.
price, they want you to wait all the way to here. You feel me? When you see price
Oh,
here and it pulls back, this is when they want you to take the entry right here. You feel me? And you need
yeah.
one, two, three candles in your favor. It's pulling back here. You're still looking to sell, still looking to sell when you should have been got off sells and start looking for buys. All right. But we're gonna take it one step at a time. One step at a time.
Yeah.
This is the alligator jaw, right? Again,
I'm,
this,
I'm looking at the blue line, right? Okay.
yeah, you see that marker or that line I'm drawing right there? Boom.
Yeah.
You see this other line I'm drawing right here? Inside
Yeah.
area right here would be the alligator jaw. You feel me?
Okay.
This area would be the alligator jaw inside of it.
Oh,
Now,
because it look like it's gonna get eaten type shit.
exactly. So what you do, you wait for price to pull up inside of it. You see how close price came to the blue line?
Hmm
Now, bomb. All right, key. Let's pay attention to that. This is the red one, remember? A water
Yeah.
cross under the fire, all right? You wait for this
Yeah.
pullback right here, and then you're supposed to enter, make a little bit of money, all right? What I'm
Okay.
teaching people is there's a way to identify it before you wait all the way down there, okay? Right
hmm
here, when blue crossed the white line, which is your middle Bollinger, the
Yeah.
white line is the 20 EMA, you feel me? So if
Okay.
price, which is 10, cross 20, it's going to eventually cross its way down to 50, and it's going to eventually cross its way down to 200, okay? So if I'm
Mm.
trading US 30 and this thing crossed over right here, I automatically know take sells the earliest it come into this little alligator jaw right here where blue is underneath the white. I'm not even
Yeah.
looking at the red. I'm already up here underneath here. And I know for sure that price is going to touch the golden line, my 200 EMA. I know without a shadow of a doubt. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to break through, retest, and continue sell. That part I don't know. So if you're a greedy bastard just trying to get all the pips in the world, then you're going to lose.
Yeah.
You feel me? But if you understand where price is and where it's going, and you can calculate that every single time, then we can compound and grow the account
Mm.
mathematically. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
So bomb. So this alligator jaw is what I call my single confirmation. All right. When
Okay.
it crosses the red now I have a double confirmation. You feel me? I'm still taking
Yeah.
every pullback for sales as I can. You feel me? Now
Right.
you see how blue never crossed the gold. All right, never
Yeah.
crossed the gold till all the way down here. This would have been my triple confirmation all the way over here. But I still wouldn't be too I still wouldn't be too gung ho about it because it's above my golden zone that I already drew. And you see
Mm-hmm.
how it went underneath the 200 and then it went back up above the 200? This right here is what I call a super seal for buy, okay?
Use that as support. Y-
Exactly, you feel me? So I call it a super seal for buy. You see how it popped up? It sold like how the super trend told you it was going to sell, but didn't sell
Mm-hmm.
long term, you feel me? So when I trade, you can either go counter or you can go full trend. I like to look for the full trend moves, you feel me? So even if I'm in a bad position,
Yeah.
even if I try to buy it here and it's sold off on me, because I'm on the full play instead of it going down and blowing my account, it should eventually turn around, break me back in profit, and then get me where I'm supposed to be, you feel me? So all of that's important, bro. But yeah, if you look at the 1 hour, it looks like just a sideways market. That's why you got to know at the H4. You look at the H4, then you see, hey, it's not a sideways market.
Okay.
It's actually a bullish flag. You know how to play a bullish flag. You feel me? Uh,
Are you entering off of these high time frames? Or you going down lower when you go for entries?
yeah, I'll go to the.
Like
Mhm, no problem.
like let's go back over to the left where we was at when where you were saying that you could catch the move earlier than the second confirmation. The first confirmation to the left, you
Yeah,
remember?
yeah, yeah. We're on the H1 where we're talking cells up here. Yeah.
Okay, so right. All right, so say let's highlight this area, right?
Okay.
Let's and then say you wanted to enter where you're not entering off the 1 hour, you're gonna break that down, right?
Yeah, I could break it down, but the fact that I see the wicks right here, and remember the only area I'm once this blue line cross, the only area I'm looking
Yeah.
at is I need price to touch the blue line like a magnet. You feel me? You see how actually
Okay.
I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so you can see it, all right? This is the
Yeah,
difference.
I'm zoomed in so I can see it.
All right.
Hey, AD,
So
you see
uh
the arrow under your indicators to the left? Bring the mouse to the left a little bit. To the left. No, no, no. Just draw the mouse to the left. You see the indicators on the left?
yeah,
Go
yeah,
more, more down, 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 down to the left, 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 left. The
yeah.
little arrow right there. Yeah, click that.
Hmm.
All right.
All right. So
So,
bam.
so
As I was saying, you were trying to say which area is the best area to enter. All right. So I used to be early like this right here. I like to I like to tell people jump in here. You feel me? But when you really get towards the no drawdown belief, oh, my bad. You were saying something?
yeah, that boy signal ass. I can't hear what he's saying.
Yeah, he breaking up bad. I know he got a question too. That's why I'm waiting on him. Let him know he breaking up bad. Type it or go somewhere a little bit stronger signal.
That boy sound like a fucking fly.
You got hey, this training is being recorded, all right? This is advanced Forex concepts, all right? This is not a rookie class. Rookie class, I got to go back to teaching you how to input your signals and everything. Hey, they say I got 7 more minutes left to record, y'all boys. So I really want to make sure I get your questions. Leak, you got any questions for me? Or you got any charts you want me to go over? Mic check, mic check. Where y'all boys at?
Go to GJ.
Move your mouse.
Oh, my bad. Hey, I can hear y'all again. I can hear y'all again. Wait, before I leave, DJ, you had a question real
Lee,
quick.
you. Nah, bro. I'm good. I'm
Boy, shit ass, boy. What the fuck?
Just back test everything. Everything I showed y'all.
You can hear me?
Yeah, what you said now?
From the Fort Lauderdale, bro. Y'all boys, you can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. What you saying?
No, I was saying I'm finna come to Fort Lauderdale. We gotta really like go to the library, bro. I need a whiteboard, all types of shit.
Bro, I'm down, bro. I like this. It gives us the freedom to trade wherever, man. I can't wait till we trade in at Dunkin' Donuts every morning, man. Get a little coffee going. Rent out their little meeting
Man,
room.
I can't wait till we trading on vacation, man.
Hey.
Can't wait till we in Cuba doing this shit.
Ooh, hey. My people's in Africa. My dad say I go to Africa with $1,000 a month, so I live like a king. He's like,
Hey,
yeah, bro. You know.
he's like they spend the currency like 15.
Hey, before this shit, before the recording, stop recording. Go to GJ real fast.
All right, all right. Do I got GJ? I think I do. All right, GJ, before we do anything, rectify the chart, put it on the H4. All right.
Later, man. What that hoe doing later, man?
Let's take a closer look. H2. Let's take a closer look. It looks pretty. It looks pretty. It's pretty. Wait a minute. It's giving continuation vibes for the hour. 2 hour. I don't like the fact that my super trend ain't telling me shit. Hey, look at the H2. Y'all boys see my screen, right?
Yeah.
This is why I use the super trend. Look at the super trend with that bitch. You
It's
feel
probably
me?
not giving you because it's just a buy, like it's just
No,
buying
no.
from there all the way to the end.
No. I'm gonna show you how to manipulate it. You see how it told us to buy from the 19th? Look how every time price wick on the line of the super trend, how it rejects. So this would have been a good entry area right here, or on the red EMA.
Mm-hmm.
This would have been another good entry, which is also the 50 EMA, which is also the super trend line as well. So you can use it as like an additional confirmation for more entries, all right? Now, the thing is, when people miss the wick, they get nervous. So I'm going to teach y'all one more tip. Look how it closed right here. You can take buys, just set your stop loss below the wick, you feel me? And look how it never came back. Even this wick never came back to your stop loss, you feel me? And you in profit. So use the profit again, and you go all the way up till the next time it pulled back, you feel me? So this would have been a buy. The next time you should have took a buy was all the way over
So we can buy that bitch right now?
No. GJ, according to what I see here,
Man's an over trader, bro.
the
Over
5
trader.
minute. Hey, it's good for a buy. If you're gonna do something, take the buy.
That's your credit, that's bitch. You are under trader. What aren't you?
As I said, if you're gonna do something, right now, take the buy. The thing with me is this though. I don't. You like leak be good for the 10-20 pips, man. I want nothing small, bro. I need confirmation.
I get it and go, man. I'll watch that bitch go for 100 pips. 20.
No, bro. Hey,
20, bro.
Hey, that get it and go gonna fix your belly one time, boy. You better stop. Sure. You see how my trading was
especially
today.
on US 30.
All we was doing today on US 30 was just monitoring the trailing stop loss. Know what I mean? That's all we doing. I don't want no anxiety. I don't want no crazy pulls. Let me just think about how much more entries I can add to the pot. You see how much better of a headache that is? Let's add entries so we can make more money
Yeah.
before 4:30. All this extra
Hey,
shit,
man.
no. The market needs time to breathe.
What's up, Bobby?
I slapped her for
What's up?
8 hours. She need
All
12
right,
hours
all
to
right,
reset.
all right, all right. And you be nice. You be nice. I know the
Leak, I ain't
girls.
gonna lie to you, boy. That shit look overbought like a mug, bro. That shit look like it need at least 5 hours to reset.
You
Or
know,
if you're gonna do
oh,
something
no,
long
you're sick.
term, I think sells long term.
You said sell it.
Huh?
You said sell GJ.
Not right now. Right now, GJ is only valid for the buy unless it break the 75. Like right now, it's at 204.84. The only move, if you take a look at the 5 minute, take a look at the 5 minute. You see how the water is over the damn white line if you have the Bollinger Band, and it's over the fire, and it's over the 200 EMA? That's like a triple, quadruple confirmation right there. So this shit could shoot the fuck off from now till 10 p.m. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And then tank the fuck off before a London session, you feel me? So you good.
Get in that bitch
You
early.
gonna do something? I might fuck around and buy with you, boy. Stop the madness with my phone in. Hey, tell me why Leak done talked me into damn GJ for a buy, man. Oh, damn these niggas, man. The money here. Actually, let me take a look at US 30 before I do nothing. Let me make sure I maximize the opportunity. Oh, US 30 ain't ready. Oh, Nas ain't ready. Oh, GJ showing me a little play. I don't know, bro. UJ might be more ready than GJ, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, Leak. I like UJ better, bro. I like UJ better. Actually, I like them both. I like them both. I'm gonna have to take one entry in each and say fuck it.
All right, just go. After you done, go check out gold real fast, cause gold. I feel like gold might do something.
All
Might.
right, let me check gold out right now. XAU, USD,
Yeah,
Forex.
that bit doing